take 932. Hi everyone,
Hello,
it's Tanya Hawkins,
and Cody Galler.
and we're here today at the headquarters of the Prime Group of RE/MAX Preferred. Cody, how are you doing?
Doing good. Things have changed, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Any specific areas?
So our open houses, they've changed. Opportunities for clients to come and see properties. There's limitations on how many people can be in a house at once.
That's terrible because that's the primary way that agents get to meet new clients. It's also the primary way that a lot of my listings get to be shown to buyers who maybe weren't considering them before.
That's right.
So what are we doing to overcome that?
So the Prime Group is using software called Calendly. So what Calendly is, it's a QR code. It's a funny little code that has little black boxes. You can find that on our social media page, at our properties, and on our webpage. So this is an opportunity for potential buyers to set up private showings. So what they do is they scan that QR code. It takes them directly to Calendly. They put in some brief information about themselves, when they want to see the property. Calendly has our personal availability, and it's an easy way for them to safely see a property.
So they don't have to wait on an agent to answer the phone. They don't have to be frustrated with callbacks.
Nope.
They immediately set it up for the date and the time that they want.
That's right.
And so they're in the driver's seat.
Exactly.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
No, it's very convenient and it's safe.
That is wonderful. Well, if you want more information about it, visit our Facebook page or our website, theprimegrouponline.com, or maybe drive by one of our houses.
That's right.
Cody, can you show them anything that's on the market?
Anything on the MLS.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much today, and for more information, tune in.
Thank you.
All right. I think we nailed it.